In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix couldn't install Office on Microsoft Copilot. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're an official Microsoft 365 Copilot and you are trying to use these Copilot features and you're unable to download other apps such as Office, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to make sure that you are logged in using the correct account that you usually use. However, if you have no issue with your account, then it's time to try and troubleshoot your browser. To do that, just go to your browser and go to the ellipsis here, that is these three lines, and you want to go down to settings. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using Google Chrome. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other browser. From here, go to privacy and security, and under this, go to delete browsing data. Here, choose the length of time you want to delete the browsing data or history. You can choose up to all time. If you want to choose maybe the last 1 hour, you can also do the same, and then confirm by just clicking on delete, and this will delete all the hourly data. Once you are done, restart your computer, and now go ahead and try log into your account and see if you are able to download Office. But should you still be unable, then check and then see that you are not using any VPN, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. For that, you need to turn off the VPN before you can download and install. Also, if you have any recently installed security app, it might be hindering your download process. You need to temporarily turn off before you can download. However, at this point, if you're still unable, then if you are using paid version, make sure that your account is up to date and the payment is still active before you can do so. But should you still fail to download, then you might want to contact Microsoft Copilot to see if you can be helped. So let me know which of the above was able to help you. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.